Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. This is Janand Kumar standing in front of you. In this session, I am going to teach you the active voice and passive voice of present continuous tense. But friends, as usual, before starting this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. Good morning, friends. How are you? I hope that you are fine because I always go on praying to God for your betterment and your better health. So, friends, let us start the active voice and passive voice of present continuous tense. Continuous tense and under continuous tense, and continuous tense is just the second type of tense, and under continuous tense we will write the first type of continuous tense, that is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Friends, you need not be confused, as I have written present continuous tense as the first type of continuous tense. Continuous tense is the second type of continuous tense, second type of tense that I have already taught you in the chapter tense. In the chapter tense, I have taught you the four types of tenses, that are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So according to that, continuous tense is the second type of tense, and under continuous tense, present continuous tense is the first type of continuous tense. So friends, we are going to start how to change active voice into passive voice in present continuous tense. You can see here, friends, the structure formula is subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus V4 plus object. We have already studied it, and I have already taught you this structure formula in tense. Once again we have got a chance to revise it in voice. So now let us see how to change it into passive voice. Object subject plus am is are plus being plus V3 plus by oblique at oblique in oblique with plus agent, full stop. This is the first structure formula in present continuous tense used to make affirmative sentences. For examples, my father is making tea for all of you. My father is making tea for all of you. मेरे पिताजी आप सभी के लिए चाय बना रहे हैं. So its passive voice will be tea is being made by my father for all of you. Tea is made by my father for all of you. As for all of you is just the additional part, the extra part of the sentence that is not included in voice. We have not to change anything in this part of the sentence, and we have to put this part of the sentence where it is in active voice, at the last of the sentence. You can see tea is being made by my father for all of you. It means आप सबों के लिए मेरे पिताजी के द्वारा चाय बनाया जा रहा है। His brother is driving the car. His brother is driving the car. उसके भाई गाड़ी चला रहे हैं। We see, let us see how to change it into passive voice. We will take the object of the active verb in passive voice as the subject, and it will be the car is being driven by his brother. His brother. The car is being driven by his brother. यानी गाड़ी उसके भाई के द्वारा चलाई जा रही है। Now you can take its screenshot. Now I am going to teach you the second structure formula in present continuous tense in active voice and passive voice along with some examples based on them. So let us see the active voice and passive voice of present continuous tense. Subject plus am is are plus not plus V4 plus object. Its passive voice will be object subject plus am is are plus not plus being plus V3 plus by oblique at oblique in oblique with plus agent. Full stop. This structure formula is used to make negative sentences in present continuous tense. For examples, she is not making tea. She is not making tea. वह चाय नहीं बना रही है। She is not making tea. वह चाय नहीं बना रही है। Its passive voice will be tea is not being made by her. I am not wasting my time. I am not wasting my time. मैं अपना समय नहीं बर्बाद कर रहा हूं या मैं अपना समय बर्बाद नहीं कर रहा हूं। Its passive voice will be my time is not being wasted if we want we can also write by me, but it will be better if we put it between brackets. Sita is not sewing clothes. सीता इज नॉट सीविंग क्लॉथ्स। सीता कपड़े नहीं सिल रही है या नहीं सी रही है। इट्स पैसिव वॉइस विल बी क्लॉथ्स आर नॉट being sewed by Sita. Clothes are not being sewed by Sita कपड़े सीता के द्वारा नहीं सी जा रही है या सिली जा रही है, वट एवर वी स्पीक इन हिंदी, बट इन इंग्लिश वी विल स्पीक क्लॉथ्स आर नॉट बीइंग सीव्ड बाय सीता. So friends, I have taught you two structure formula of present continuous tense in active voice and passive voice in this session. I have also taught you a few examples with the help of which you can learn how to use the formula in active voice and passive voice both. And the next formula, the remaining formula of this tense in active voice and passive voice will be taught to you by me in the next session. Till that time you can go on revising whatever I have taught you, and you can practice them for making sentences, in making sentences. Okay friends, so till that time I would like to have a short separation from you, but I would like to suggest you to like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, comment it, share it to your friends, and suggest your friends to subscribe it, because you have already subscribed it. And if you have not subscribed it, you must subscribe it, and also suggest your friends to subscribe it, as well as download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. So friends, thank you. Have a nice day.